In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform Excel data into a visual report with Power BI. By the end, you'll turn a simple spreadsheet into a clean, insightful dashboard that highlights key metrics, trends, and comparisons. First, prepare your Excel file. Good prep makes everything smoother in Power BI. Make sure your data has clear column headers, no merged cells, and no completely blank rows or columns inside the data. Keep each column to a single data type, like dates in the date column and numbers in the total sales column. If possible, convert your range to an official Excel table and give it a meaningful name. That helps Power BI recognize the structure instantly and keeps things organized if your data grows. Now, open Power BI Desktop. On the Home ribbon, click Get Data, choose Excel, navigate to your spreadsheet, select it, and click Open. You're just a few clicks away from seeing your data on the canvas. In the Navigator window, you'll see a list of tables and sheets. Check the box next to your Excel table. Take a quick look at the preview on the right to confirm the columns and values look correct, then click Load. Power BI will bring your data into the Fields pane, ready for visualization. Let's build the visuals. For a quick KPI, select the card visual from the visualizations pane. In the Fields pane, drag total sales into the values area. You'll get a single, bold number that instantly tells you the overall sales figure. This is perfect for a top of report highlight. Next, show the sales trend over time with a line chart. Click the line chart visual. Set the axis to your date field and the values to total sales. You should now see how sales change over time, making it easy to spot peaks, dips, and seasonality. For a side-by-side comparison, add a bar chart. Click the bar chart visual, set the axis to product and the values to total sales. This immediately shows which products are your top performers and which might need attention. Finally, tidy up the report. Click each visual and open the format panel using the paint roller icon. Turn on title and give each visual a clear, concise name. Align your visuals so the layout feels balanced and professional. Use consistent colors across the report to reinforce categories and make it easier to read at a glance. That's it. You've transformed Excel data into a polished Power BI report with a KPI card, a trend line, and a product comparison, all clearly formatted and ready to share.